Welcome to Speak English with Muskan.
Excuse me, I'm lost. Can you help me?
Sure, I can help you.
I'm looking for the train station.
The train station is straight ahead, walk for 5 minutes and then turn right.
Subscribe my channel.
Is it far from here?
No, it's not far, just a short walk.
Thank you. I'm a little confused.
No problem. Are you new here?
Yes, I just moved here last week.
What's your name?
My name is Ria.
Where are you from?
I'm from Kolkata.
What brings you here?
I got a new job in this city.
That's nice. Do you like it here so far?
Yes, it's a little different, but I like it.
Do you need help with anything?
Yes, can you tell me where the nearest supermarket is?
Sure, it's just down the street. Turn left and walk for 2 minutes.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. If you need anything, just ask.
What's your name?
My name is Arjun.
Nice to meet you, Arjun.
Nice to meet you too, Ria.
Where are you from?
I'm from Delhi.
What do you do?
I work in a bank. What about you?
I'm a teacher.
Oh, that's interesting.
How old are you?
I am 26 years old.
What do you do every morning?
I brush my teeth and take a shower.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat toast and eggs.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I drink tea.
How do you go to work?
I drive my car.
What do you do in the evening?
I watch TV or read a book.
Subscribe my channel.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
What's your hobby?
I enjoy drawing and listening to music.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10:30 p.m.
What's your favorite food?
I like pizza and pasta.
Do you speak English every day?
I try to speak English every day.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I watch movies on weekends.
Are you learning English?
Yes, I'm learning English now.
Why do you want to learn English?
I want to speak with people around the world.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 2 brothers.
Subscribe my channel.
What do you do in your free time?
I like reading books.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love visiting new places.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, with my parents.
How many people are in your family?
There are 5 people.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
Where is the nearest shop?
It's on the next street.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I love shopping.
Do you use a phone?
Yes, I have a smartphone.
Do you want to have a coffee sometime?
Sure, I'd like that.
Let's meet for coffee.
That sounds great. When?
How about Saturday afternoon?
Perfect. What time?
Let's meet at PM at Cafe Roma.
Okay, see you there.
Subscribe my channel.
Looking forward to it.
Me too. Bye.
Learning English is easy when we practice together, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful conversations every day.